Are you a new agent interested in selling homes but are not too sure what to do? Did you know that many agents don't want the help or need the help when selling a home? Well, I was blessed by a business partner of mine to co-list this home. In this video, I'm going to share with you what a co-listing agent does. Stay tuned. Welcome, my name is Ben Pie Champagne. I go by Ben Your Agent. Shout out to all my subscribers, 503. I'm grateful for every one of you. If you haven't, so please follow my channel, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. I bring fresh content weekly. Also, for those that are new to my channel, I am a certified home buyer and seller agent, new home co-broker, and military relocation professional. Follow me too on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok at Ben Your Agent. Alright, so are you interested in selling a house? Being a co-listing agent is a perfect opportunity to learn. Here's a list of what I have to do. Here are the requirements. Hold an open house weekly or arrange for another EXP agent for 4 weeks. Hold broker opens 2 times, hoping neighbors and buyers show as well. Meet for all inspection, appraisals, and photography at the property. Get all buyer leads sent to me and show the property to all interested buyers. Refer all agents and offer to my partner. Attach super box for showing. Show any buyer's agent that need an agent to show the property. Attach lockbox for vendors. Manage locksmith and keys. Here's some optional things I have to do. I was added as a listing agent 2 until closing the MLS, but will be removed before closing. I can send flyers in properties to be branded by me. A lender can help me with that, and then door knock neighbors while at inspection, etc. Call neighbors as well. So here's really my journey from all this. First thing I did was visit the property and took photos and videos. Then I came and got a price quote with a junk removal company, which ended up not using. Next, we got a fence put up and I had to put a lock on it. No super key needed, just a regular lock and a cable. Finally, the past 2 weeks, we put the listing on the market and have showed the home to a few buyers. It's a mix, investors and regular buyers as well. It's been fun and I've learned a lot from this. It's looking like it's gonna sell really quick, finger crossed. I'll say this last thing. Being a co-listing agent is about doing the dirty work for little pay. But it's okay, the relationship and experience you get is everything. I hope this helps you, and if so, please smash the like button, it really helps. Also, comment your thoughts on all this. I can't believe I made it to 100 episodes of my journey videos. Thanks to Gisela Sanchez to make this suggestion. Love you all, and let's go for another 100. What do you guys say? Take care and stay safe. See you on the next video. Blessings.